Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This block I call Hard Candy. I saw a picture of it on Pinterest, but there was no link to anywhere, so I don't know what it actually is. It finishes at 8 inches. Here's the diagram, and we have 4-inch finished squares and 2-inch finished squares. Here are 4 blocks set block to block. It's a 2x2 grid, and each unit in the grid space finishes at 4 inches. Here are the patches. Patch A is a 4-inch finished square. We cut 4.5-inch squares. I will have the AccuQuilt dies listed here on your copy that you can download. So I just forgot to put them on here. So we'll need, for the large square, we'll need 1 patch of the background and 1 patch of the accent fabrics. Patch B is a 2-inch finished square. We cut 2.5-inch squares. We'll need 4 patches of the background and 4 patches of the accent fabrics. And you can make an assortment of these. Here's what a quilt looks like with multiple blocks. This one is 80 blocks is what you'll make. Now you can make this scrappy or you can make it coordinated. You can use 2.5-inch strips and 5-inch charm squares if you have them for your scrappy or for your coordinated look. So from your assorted lights, you'll need to cut 1 4.5-inch square and 4 2.5-inch squares. And you'll cut the same thing from the assorted accent fabrics. The first thing we'll do is make the 4 patch units, then we'll assemble the block. Here are the instructions for making this quilt over here. It tells you how much fabric you need and how to cut it and how to lay it out. I found some Kaif fabric left over, so I have those. These are the A patches, the large squares, and the B patches, the small squares. So we'll just put these together. I'm using the same background fabric for everything. So we'll make 2 of these units. And let me switch this around. Press your seams, and then this unit, once you finish it, should measure 4.5 inches. Now we'll just look at our diagram and put the block together. This block really doesn't look like much on its own, but when you put it together with the other blocks, it really looks good. So just sew these 2 together and these 2, press the seams, and then sew the rows together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.